Hey guys, it's me, Nurse Cory. I'm here today to answer some FAQs about laser tattoo removal. Will a laser remove my tattoo? That's an excellent question. So laser happens to be the gold standard for tattoo removal. There are other methods like topical creams, microdermabrasion, injecting an isotonic solution. They're all terrible. They mess up your skin. They cause scarring and discoloration. So laser is definitely the way to go. The way that the laser works is that the pigment in the ink absorbs the light from the laser. It shatters and breaks up those ink particles into little tiny pieces, and then the immune system will naturally wash those particles away. So it's really amazing technology, and yes, laser will remove your tattoo. All right, and question number 2, why remove my tattoo? Well, that's a great question. I mean, it's really up to you. Why do you not want your tattoo anymore? There's tons of reasons that I've been told. So a lot of patients will remove a tattoo when they have kids. A lot of people just don't like what they got when they were younger, and now they're a more mature person and they just don't like what the tattoo means anymore. A lot of times it's broken relationships. It's all over the place. So really, the ultimate answer to this question is up to you. We're here to help if you don't want that tattoo anymore. Does laser tattoo removal hurt? We get asked this question all the time. So here we go. Getting the tattoo is a little bit uncomfortable, right? So removing the tattoo is also going to be a little bit uncomfortable. However, pain is subjective. Some patients are more sensitive than others. It also can depend on where the tattoo is located. So bonier areas are going to be a little bit more uncomfortable than an area that has some fat, some padding to it. We do offer a triple anesthetic cream that we apply 30 minutes before your treatment. We also blow cold air on the skin the whole time during the treatment, and you can take breaks. So I've never had a patient start the treatment and not get through it. So you can handle it if you got the tattoo in the first place. How many sessions of laser tattoo removal will I need? Excellent question. This absolutely varies between patient to patient. So we have a Kirby Desai scale. That is a scale that Dr. Kirby, our Chief Medical Officer, co-authored with Dr. Desai, another one of our medical directors, and it actually will spit out a number of an estimate for how many treatments your particular tattoo will need based on several different things. Number 1, how old the tattoo is, the location of the tattoo, your skin type, the colors in the tattoo, if there's scarring, if there's a cover-up. There's so many different factors, but we can give you a really close estimate. I would say the average number of treatments for a professional tattoo will be around the 10 treatment mark. All right, how often can I get a laser tattoo removal session? That's a great question. So the mechanism of action of the laser is that it's just breaking up the ink particles. The amazing thing is that we get to rely on your body to do all the rest of the work. So your own immune system is going to grab onto those pieces of ink that we broke up, take them through the lymphatic system, and wash them away. So what's really important to know is that that process takes about 8 to 12 weeks. We have patients all the time wanting to come back the next day, the next week, because they think their skin is healed. And while the skin is healed, the actual internal process hasn't quite happened yet. So a minimum of 8 weeks between your treatments. If you want to wait a little bit longer, that's absolutely fine, and we'll actually just remove a few more pieces of ink before your next treatment. All right, does laser tattoo removal work on all skin types? Excellent question. So the laser that's used for laser tattoo removal here at LaserAway is an ND-YAG 1064 nanometer wavelength, which is a broad spectrum wavelength that is safe for all skin types. The laser light will pass safely through the epidermis of the skin and selectively go towards just the ink, not the pigment in the skin. So yes, it's safe for all skin types. Will laser tattoo removal work on every ink color? Excellent question. Black ink happens to be the easiest color for us to remove because it is made up of carbon, which happens to be a very easy bond to break. Black also absorbs light really well. Just like if I went out in the sun, I would absorb a lot of the sunlight and get really hot. Color ink is made up of many different elements, and most of those elements are more difficult to break up. Think of breaking a marble with a hammer. It's just really hard to break. So color takes a little bit longer. We can fade a lot of colors, but typically bright, fluorescent, exotic colors will never remove 100% with laser, no matter what laser you have. So black ink is the easiest, color will dull, but probably never remove 100%. Why should I get laser tattoo removal by LaserAway? Simple. Number one, we offer free consultations. When you come in for your consultation, we are going to give you realistic expectations. We'll look at your tattoo, we'll go over what your goals are, and we'll let you know if we can do it or not. Number two, technology. Here at LaserAway, we happen to have the state-of-the-art technology for laser tattoo removal. We use the Estanza Duality, which is a Q switch or quality switch ND-YAG 1064 nanometer laser, which is the gold standard for laser tattoo removal. We also have Zimmer chillers, which again, keeps your skin nice and cool during the treatment for the most comfort. Number three, experience. Our clinicians get the best training, and we do tattoo removal every single day at all 50 of our locations nationwide. These clinicians also happen to get trained by, reason number four, Dr. Kirby, who happens to be our Chief Medical Officer. He writes all of our protocols and all of our training for laser tattoo removal. He happens to also be the co-author of the Kirby Decide Scale and the nation's leading expert in laser tattoo removal. So the real question is, why wouldn't you get laser tattoo removal by LaserAway? Thank you so much for all of your questions. If you have any more questions about laser tattoo removal or any of the services that we offer here at LaserAway, leave them in the comments below. See you soon.